gosh, I have to make sure I'm doing the right things. So this is the third time that I've recorded this. So here I am looking in YouTube to make sure I'm doing this correctly. All right, so I'm gonna show you really quickly in Google Docs how to create a poster. Okay, it's going to be quick and dirty. I think it's going to be under 20 minutes. I wanted it to be under 5. I showed the class on Thursday, and my computer ran out of system memory, and the program it decided to shut down was my recorder. So here we are. So I'm looking at this poster here, and Microsoft Word, Apple Pages, um, they provide, all kinds of templates for posters and flyers and things that you can use. I think Google Docs does as well. So we have this poster here, and I like the way the colors work in this poster. I like the neon green and the black. And so I decided to use this for an Edgar Allan Poe poster. But what I have to tell you is, talked about this on Thursday. You have a dark background and you have light text. And this poster does it well. It's the black background and the neon green text. It pops. It looks really good. But also, I tell you, don't put text over images, and I should add images, graphics, and patterns. But so, right here, dark background, light text, it works really well. But when we come here over the image, you can see light background, light text. People with dyslexia, graphlexia, color blindness, other abilities are going to have a difficult time reading that. Okay? Now, I want to show you what I did with this. Bam! So, we have the Edgar Allan Poe poster here. And again, I like the color scheme because I think it matched Poe. And I just took this picture. See, it's just a background, and made it the background. And this jazz, it's just text boxes. Okay, actually, I think they're just shapes. And so down here at the bottom, you can see there's this white triangle, and I didn't have the patience to fritz with it, but I could have made that all like gray or black, blended it in somehow so I could have the text box for the quote. I didn't have the patience for it, so I kind of angled the quote there. It doesn't quite fit with the rest of the poster, but that's what I did to make sure the quote was integrated. All right. Now, I just want to show you really quickly. I don't know why. It's just what I want to do. Like I said, we have these text boxes. I think have to ungroup this. So I used the grouping feature to put the heading and the info together, so that way whenever I moved it anywhere on the poster, it stayed together. But right click that, and this is a shape, format shape. It has the lines so you can see the color, the border and all of that. So if I take this 3, moved it up, and you can see made that border super thick. Right now, In this case, this was a shape, but could also come right here. Insert text box. Super easy. Okay, let's get down to business. All right. So I'm assuming that I finished like my interview, and so I put together all of the text that I want to use in the poster, right? Added all of the text, and I should have made this like a list with commas, but whatever. Here's all of my text for the poster, and I found a great Poe image. I have my banner there, ready to go. I'm ready to boogie. So first thing I want to do is get this picture up top, and I'm just gonna put it there. I've been debating this. Okay, and I need a title. Watch. I want to come to Insert, Drawing, New. This doohickey comes up. I'm going to hit the text box feature. And I'm going to write Poe. All caps, because I like Poe. Let's see. I'm just going to write in 46 for the font. And I love railway for headings. Bold it. Poe! Save and close. There it is! Poe! Now I'm going to click it and drag it. And drag it up there. I'm hitting the little arrow. Yeah, okay. Wrap the text. I don't want to wrap it that way. Click all image options. Let's see. I really want to hit position. Wrap the text. I'm going to hit the position. I'm going to fix the position to the page. And now I'm going to use I'm just using I'm going to click off. I'm going to click on. And I draw. And I left click. It's a little too much. So I'm going to hit shift. And then right. I'm hitting the right arrow. See, teeny tiny. And so now the pose kind of light. Okay, good enough for the video. All right, we go to Insert, Drawing, New, text box. I'm just gonna put it down here. Put it in the middle. Edgar Allan. Highlight it. What should we do this? Last was 44. I'm gonna do 38. 38. Bold. Railway. Beautiful. There it is. Ho! Down to your picture. There you go. Oh, Edgar Allan. I'm going to edit that. I'm going to click it. Now watch. What? See what I just did? I just rotated that. And then it made it huge. Now I want to shrink it. Shrink the shit out of this. Shrinking it until there are no ways ways to shrink it anymore. Now let's drag this little thing up here, okay? Wrap that text, position, fix position the page, and still need, I don't know why they're rotating it. It's probably something I'm doing, but I want to put this right there. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Edgar Allan Poe. Okay. Jazz. Railway. I think I want it to be bold. Should we start out with 18? Okay. Oh, man. Sakes alive. I forgot to tell you something. I'm going to come here to File and Page Setup. Make sure you have an 8x5 by 14 inch poster, okay? This is the paper we're using, 8x5 by 14. Things will fit really well. All right. And so for this, I just decided I would center everything. I think I want those details to be closer to the picture. I can take this. Is that centered? Center that. And it's looking pretty good, isn't it? I'm just making a little more space between the... Have some space to play with here, but you know what? This is looking good.